Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform validate command. So Terraform validate command primarily check whether a configuration file is valid. It can check various aspects including unsupported argument, undeclared variable and other. Okay, so let's jump to the practical things. Okay, so I have written here the Terraform script that will create EC2 instance. Okay, so suppose I am declaring here something like name is equal to bpin. Okay, so let me save this and let me go to the terminal. So here I will run Terraform init and then after that I will run Terraform validate. Okay, to check whether our configuration file that we have written to create the resources is valid or not. Okay, so as you can see here, it's throwing error unsupported argument on main.tf, right? Main.tf we have, and line number 8, right? And argument name is not expected here. Okay, so the argument we have passed here is not expected here, as it's referring here in the console output, right? So according to whatever output we are getting after running Terraform validate command, we can look for that output in our script and we can resolve them and we can troubleshoot them, and then after that we can create the resources with valid parameters, right? With valid configuration of our Terraform resource. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, and if I go to here, okay, and if I use here like var dot instance underscore type, like that, let me save this. Okay, and let's run Terraform validate command again. Let's see what console output we are getting. As you can see, undeclared input variable. Okay, because we have not declared the instance type variable anywhere in our Terraform configuration file. Okay, on main.tf line number 7, right? Var dot instance type and input variable with name instance type has been not declared. This variable can be declared with a variable instance type block, right? So what we can do, we can go here variable, we can instance type and default we can give it t2 dot micro. Okay, let me save this and let's run Terraform validate again. So now our Terraform configuration file is valid, so it will say success, the configuration file is valid. So as you have seen like what Terraform validate command does for us. Okay, so this is how we can use Terraform validate command to validate our Terraform configuration file before running Terraform apply or plan according to your requirement or use case. Okay, so this is all about Terraform validate command, and if you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. See you in the next video.